Okay, so I got some used dirt. It has gone through a season of potato growing, so it could probably stand to be amended. I'm gonna mix in the other dirt I have lying around, all of which has been used for at least a season with no real additions to it. At this point, I've picked out all the rocks and the big stuff, and it could use a screen to get rid of some of those things. But generally speaking, I have some dirt that is ready to be amended and added to for use in my late summer planting. Okay, so it's time to start adding to our soil to make it healthy and nutritious and to sort of revive it again. We're gonna start off by adding some bagged soil. This is sort of cheating, obviously, since we could just use the bagged soil, but that would be expensive and it wouldn't revive this. So we're only going to add about a quarter of the amount in here, even less. This is just going to be what gets us started. Next, we're going to add some fertilizer. Here we have some organic 444. You could use 10-10-10. It's really up to you. And you can either get a longer release or a powdered. Either one will work. This is more of a pellet size. Don't go crazy here. Just want to add just a little bit to add to the nutrition and to fertilize the soil. If you're doing a potting mix, you could add some perlite here. This is going to help with the drainage and make for a lighter soil. Sometimes when you do this, the soil can get very dense and very hard. Perlite will help prevent that. There's directions on the back as for how much to add. I eyeballed it. If you have some of your own compost, that's a really nice addition. Mine's not quite broken down, but it's good enough. I'll add that here. Not mandatory, but a really good way to recycle some of that compost and to have a really nice, healthy addition to the soil. I'm gonna finish things up with some earthworm castings. This is a really nice addition. This is quite healthy. It tends to be expensive unless if you're doing your own, but it is a really great addition. Again, it's not one you're going to want to add a ton of because of the price. So now would be the time to add bone meal or lime or any of the other specialty needs based on what you're growing. For me, this is done. I'll probably end up adding some more compost within the next couple of days if I don't use this all, just because that compost will be ready at that point. But we're going to mix it up and then you'll want to wet it down. Okay, so this is all mixed up, not even wetted yet, and it's looking much better. I've gone through it. I picked out any big clumps or anything like that. Had some peach pits or something like that, plum pits, who knows what, mixed in through the compost. I removed those, some leaves and sticks, big roots. Those are all removed. And yeah, just wet this down and you'll be ready to use it in planting this season. Thanks for watching.